I want to do a random check in for everyone today. I just feel the energies of the weekend, and let's see what is the message from the ancestors. It's going to be a very general reading, okay? But let's just see what is it. Okay, I'm going to be pulling just one card, okay? Let's see what does our ancestors want us to know. I literally saw while I was shuffling lotus and flowers in general. So that could be significant for some of you in your situation. Okay. Ancestors have a message for us and they want us to embrace the energy of the mother, nurturance. Okay. If you can see here clearly, there is a complete symbol here. Okay. And this symbol is all about embracing the femininity within us, the nurturance energy, the caretaker energy. Okay, and ancestors want you to know that you're doing great job, you're already doing great job, but now is the time that you need to nurture yourself, you need to fill your own cup, you need to be with your own self. It's important for you to nurture your spirit, nurture your being. Just feel okay, they really are happy with all of the things that they're doing. They see that you've done a lot, they know that you've put your 100% into a lot of situations, and yes, you have gone through a couple of setbacks recently in your life, but still universe and your angels and your ancestors are wanting you to know that just feel loved, feel the love for your own self, because they feel that for you, they carry that within themselves for you. Universe is also saying connect more with the womb energy. For some of you, womb is very important, sacral chakra. Okay, this is actually applies to me as well in certain situations in my life. Okay, and you don't need to be harsh with yourself, you don't need to be controlling with yourself, you need to be like a mother to your own self. A mother will never be harsh, a mother will never control her children, right? She'll be just allowing them to be, right? If you want food, she'll give you food. If she whatever she wants, whatever you want, she'll give you, right? That's something that you have to do for your mind and body. That's something that you're not doing it, you're doing it completely opposite, because of which there's a lot of conflict that's going on inside your mind and body. Okay. um some people might be thinking that nazar could be important. Nazar lag rahi hai, nazar and all, but it's you sometimes draining your own energy. That needs to change. My eyes is going towards cherries. Okay, cherries is you're telling me that fruits of your labor are coming in very soon. I'm seeing 5 months, 5 weeks for some of you. A bit of nurturance is important for you guys. Yeah, that's it. That's the message that I'm receiving from your ancestors. And the moment you nurture yourself, you are going to be unleashing the wild wolf energy with, oh my god. Okay, you guys are coming into your power. You guys are coming into your power, and it could be a female ancestor that might have passed away. The more you come into slowness, the more you start embracing life the way it is, the more you loosen up your more control at a very deeper level. ठीक है, आप अपने आप को महसूस करा रहे हो, आप अपने आप, okay, this woman is just closing her eyes and just feeling the energy of becoming pregnant. Okay, becoming nurturing, connecting with her womb. So, and look at her state of mind, it's pure bliss, right? So it's also very okay. Full moons and new moons could be very important. Okay, full moon, new moon. I'm seeing snake. You are transforming. You are peeling off the cover. You are unleashing. You're coming very closer to your pure, authentic self. Something related to your root and sacral chakra is also very important. You are building a new farm, a new growth, a new base, a new root, a new foundation for yourself during this period whenever you watch this video. Music could be important. Okay. Some of you could be Shiv Bhaks because I'm seeing Damru. But universe and your ancestors are telling you that the moment you start becoming more nurturing towards your own self, you are gonna be unleashing your wild within. Like you're gonna be experiencing your power. You're gonna be experiencing who you are and how do you drive and how do you do things. It's gonna be like after this transition, you would want to do things that you never did. Like जो risk आपने नहीं लिया है ना वो सारी चीजें आप करना चाहोगे. Trust me. I'm seeing some people might be changing their eating habits also during this transformational phase. But yeah, I'm seeing dog could be very significant. Pause, like डॉग के जो लेग्स का जो फुट का होता है प्रिंट पॉज PAWS. It could be very very important something. You will be taming a lot of things that do not allow you to. This process is going to allow you to leave a lot of toxic relationships, a lot of toxic people, specifically toxic masculine energies around you. They're going to be leaving you. And yeah, a new born, a new version of yourself is going to be built. Very lovely, yaar. It's like a combination of a dark and a light side, and both of them are coming together. This transformation is something that's going to be a bit of a roller coaster. So, just a disclaimer, do not expect things because if you start expecting things that are not going to be happening, it's going to be happening out of your zone. मतलब कुछ अलग ही हो गया होने वाला है होने वाली है चीजें आपके लाइफ में. So stop expecting. That's also one thing that universe wants you guys to know. And moon could be very significant. So for the next few moon, full moon, new moon, just observe what your body is trying to communicate to you, what is your mind trying to communicate to you, and what are they trying to tell you. Okay, like it will tell you one thing you can start doing during full moons. You can have a glass of water or bottle of water and just charge it with moon energies. It will help you to release a lot of emotions, experience a lot of emotions, feel a lot of emotions. It will be a much more easier process for you. Okay, the moon's energy helps us to balance a lot of emotions into our body, so the mind body connection will improve. So do that. Yeah. Anything else that they need to know? You will be birthing something new for sure during this period. Yeah, I think that's it for you guys. What your ancestors wanted you to know. It's very random, it's very intuitive, that just came in and I just made a video for all of you guys. Do let me know in the comment section how was it and how did it resonate with you. Did it help you? Did it give you the direction, clarity that you required through the reading? Okay, have a good day, take care of yourselves, and if you feel connected with my energy, all you have to do is just book one-to-one readings and you will get your answers and the clarity for your path. Have a good day.